Alright, so here's how you clear an account warning on TikTok. Usually it's robots that issue these account warnings and tag you. So in case you have been wrongfully tagged, here is how you can clear it up. So first off, we're gonna go to our profile. Then you wanna press on the three lines in the top right corner. From here, go to settings and privacy. Then scroll all the way down until you see this option, report a problem. Okay, from here you want to scroll down and click on submit a report. I'm going to give you a template for this, so you should write them something like this. I was wrongfully issued an account warning on my profile. Please review my content and make sure this was a mistake. So like I said, usually it's robots that do this tagging for them. So in case it was a mistake, a human should review your content and remove the account warning. After you've written them this, click submit and wait for them to get back to you. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.